Hello, so today's tapping video, tapping into having a great day. I recommend you tap on this right at the start of your day, use it every day, okay? You get to choose what sort of day you have, and if you're tapping first thing in the morning, that's when our brains are very susceptible the moment we wake up. So rather than check the news or your emails or something that puts you in a funk for the rest of the day, I want you to start tapping, because we're going to start tapping into having a great day. You get to choose, and whatever happens around you, we can't change that, but we can change our reaction to it. Okay, so when you're ready, I'm going to have a great day. I'm tapping into that now. And I choose to love and accept me. I'm going to have a great day. Tapping into feelings of success, positivity, and abundance. It's going to be a great day. And I choose to love, honour and accept myself now. This is going to be a brilliant day. Good things will happen to me. I'll achieve those big deals or manifest whatever I want. And I choose to love and accept me now. It's going to be a great day. Tapping into having an amazing day. I get to choose. Tapping in feelings of success, tapping in feelings of happiness. It's going to be a brilliant day. Feeling all that positivity. Taking in all that positive energy from around me. From the stratosphere and the universe above me. Breathing it all in. Breathing in all that positivity and the energy from the earth. Letting it all come in through my feet and breathe right into every cell in my body. I'm breathing in all this positive energy around me. Imagining amazing energy around me. I'm tapping into having a great day. This is going to be a fabulous day. I choose to be open to possibilities. Success and abundance. And if anything negative does pop up, that's fine. I'll just take a deep breath and just tap it away. Most of it's not my stuff anyway. I can either hold on to it or choose to let it go. I choose to make today a great day. Letting go of anything that's holding me back. I am a success. I'm going to do this. I'm going to freaking nail it. Try not to swear. I tap into having an amazing day. This is the best. I'm feeling better and better even as I tap. I'm feeling happier and happier. Lighter and lighter. Success and abundance awaits me. It's going to be great. Letting go any negativity. Tapping into feelings of having a brilliant day within every single cell of my body. Excellent. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Okay, notice how you're feeling. You are going to have the best day. Please, please, please let me know how you get on in the comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Change for Success. Loads of free videos on there. And as ever, if you need anything, get in touch. Have a great day.